Hi, I'm Jennifer Clarke. I'm a finance director at Mastercard, and I'll be teaching the corporate finance course with Elevator. This course is for anyone who is interested in corporate finance, whether you are a career starter, an established professional, or a business owner who wants to acquire a basic understanding of how financial systems work. In my course on corporate finance, I will teach you the basics of financial markets, how to read a company's financial statements, and what they do to fund growth. We will also dig in to what it takes to build a financial model in support of a business case. I will also teach you how to value financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and options, and even the fundamentals to managing your own P&L one day. Throughout the course, we are going to do a deep dive into one major multinational corporation through various assignments, and you will get to make the pitch of whether you think it's a buy or a sell. We will also explore financial innovations like cryptocurrencies and what's next in the field of finance. Corporate finance is an incredibly broad area of study, and this course will link together many different concepts. I am so excited to teach you corporate finance. I hope you will join me.